Currently, we own a construction company down in Southern California. I do custom cabinets. And we came up here last June for our quarterly grandkids fix, and it just happened to be Vicky's birthday, and we were having a birthday party, and a friend of ours come over and brought us 3 gallons of water. And he says, well, this is special water. And I says, well, water's water. And he says, no, it isn't. He said, I want you to start drinking this water. And the reason he brought it over is I was battling a chronic cough at the time. And I was to the point where I was literally popping ribs out because I coughed so hard and so long. And so he convinced me to get on this water. And within 2 weeks, 98% of my cough was completely gone. There's just no comparison to this water compared to any other bottled water. We've tried bottled water, reverse osmosis water, tap water. We've traveled the country drinking water from every part of the country, and there is nothing that compares with this water.